Hi, welcome to Bit, the world's most powerful document collaboration platform. Bit documents are modern and interactive, allowing you to add just about any type of digital content to your documents. In this video, we'll show you how you can easily add Google Images into your Bit documents. Go to your Google Drive and right-click on the image you want to embed. Select Get Shareable Link from the drop-down. Adjust the link settings and copy the link. Now head over to Bit.ai and open up a Bit document. Click on a blank line and paste the web link. You'll see that Bit automatically renders the image inside of your document. Bit has rich embed integrations with over 100+ different applications. To learn more about our other integrations, watch our other videos. Bit.ai, the world's most powerful document collaboration platform.